I've noticed that whenever I want to study, read, or do my homework, my mind feels heavy, and I just can't find the motivation or interest. It's almost like some invisible force is blocking me. Over time, this has really affected my school performance. I'd like to know what could be the reasons behind this obstacle. Thank you for sharing this question. Let's take a look at it from the BodyMaitre Four-Body System perspective. When we break it down, here's what came up in the reading and findings. Spiritual body, soul fragment. Sometimes when we go through trauma or overwhelming emotional experiences, a part of our soul energy can fragment. This creates a sense of incompleteness, and we lose touch with our natural strengths, talents, or willpower. That disconnection can make studying or focusing feel unusually heavy. Mental body, disorganized. In the mental body, the energy showed up as disorganized. This means the mind is scattered, thoughts feel jumbled, and it becomes harder to study, process information, or communicate clearly. Emotional body, giving up lead to let down lead to cast off. Emotionally, there's a cycle of feeling like giving up, then feeling let down, and eventually feeling cast off. When our mind and soul are scattered, our emotions naturally follow this downward spiral, draining motivation. Physical body, defeatism. On the physical level, this all leads to a sense of defeatism. It's the attitude of, why bother? I'll probably fail anyway. This makes it even harder to take action or stay consistent with schoolwork. So when you put all these four bodies together, soul fragmentation, mental disorganization, emotional letdowns, and physical defeatism, it makes sense why studying feels like pushing against an invisible wall. Now, how do we shift this? Spiritual body, recall, retrieve, and integrate the soul fragments. This helps restore lost strengths and reconnect to your essence. Mental body, transform disorganized patterns into organized so thoughts flow more clearly. Emotional body, shift the cycle from giving up to feeling successful so energy is uplifting and motivating. Physical body, replace defeatism with optimism so actions are aligned with hope and confidence. When these four bodies realign, the heaviness lifts and studying becomes lighter, clearer, and more achievable.